Yo, what's poppin'? It's your boy DopeMannn J. Yo, what's goody, gang? Listen, I just wanted to shout out everybody who clicked on this video for one. Y'all already see the title, so we're doing something extremely wild tonight. But hey, we gotta leave, 2021 off with a bang, literally. You feel me? So I just like to say, if you enjoy the content, like, comment, subscribe, you feel me, so you can see some more. Ya tú sabes que lo que es. So, let's get into it. First, I need to figure out where I'm gonna hide the camera, and then two, I need to make sure I get everybody's reaction. So I still have some of these little firecrackers left from the 4th of July, so I'm gonna spark them up. I see everybody jump. You feel me? I want everybody to sell and jump out their body, right? Well, yeah, let's get it. I'm about to just put my camera down real quick. I'm about to put it down so it's gonna be sunny for me. So I decided to put it down right there. However, I didn't, I put it facing down the wrong way. So after a while, I fixed it. Boom, I got my grandma in a nice angle. And, they was just having a nice little conversation. So I said, matter of fact, this the perfect time. But I didn't know what to do at first. So I just decided to, pretend like I was going to the bathroom or something. So you're going to see me walk away soon.
I know if it's a 3.3. He was hungry. That's what he told me to say if it's 4 long. I said, yeah, 5 long, 4 long, 4 long. Oh, yeah, that's a 3.1. Okay. Yeah,
asshole. ¿Ya me escuchaste? He asshole. Who was that?
Oh, that scared me!
Who was that?
I got wrong.
He recorded you too. He asshole. Oh, shit. What was that?
Oh
Let me
my
see.
God.
Let me see that video.
They still bugging. It's been a whole 10 minutes, yo. I got him good, yo. I haven't. Say what's up to my YouTube. but yeah, gang. What's up, Titi? I probably got my aunt too. She was sleeping. Hold on, give me a minute, ma, please. But listen, y'all have a great day, great night. Whenever you watching this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. You feel me? Like and subscribe. And you feel me? Y'all take a kid to listen.
Subscribe, like, and share.
Yes, with that being said,
So you get notified every time he posts a new video.
yup. I got my links down in the description, you feel me? Y'all take care, have a good night, like I said. And with that being said, y'all have a great night. Jericho out. Sipping like dance, do the whole walk, dropping the stand. Ooh, that's so raw. Do it again, just at the chance. Taste at the